Hey guys, welcome to Homeschool-ology. So today's video I'm going to be giving you a little recap of how the month of July went for us. If you're new here, my name is Nikki. I'm a homeschooling mom of 4. I've got a middle schooler all the way down to a preschooler, and on this channel I like to talk to you guys about secular homeschooling, motherhood, family travel, and everything in between. Like I said, today I'm going to be talking about how the month of July went for us. June and July this summer has been kind of bonkers for us. We have had so much going on. In June we went on our big summer family vacation. We had a little bit of a family emergency before that kind of threw things out of kilter, and then we had this big long vacation and got back. And I have a video on that, like a trip recap video right here, and then I've been sharing these past Mondays our adventures into for our trip. And so keep a lookout for those videos. I've been sharing them on Mondays. I'm going to continue sharing them on Mondays through the month of August, except for 1 week where I have a collaboration, so they're switched. Before we go any further, don't forget to head on down to that subscription button and that notification bell and give both of those a click so you know when those videos are going to be coming out. But anyways, we got back from our vacation at the very end of June, and we had a wedding July 4th, which I was doing the cakes and sweet treats for. If you don't know, that I run a little cottage bakery from my home, but it was a family wedding and I was doing all the sweet treats and desserts for all of that. So it took me the entire week we had from when we got home vacation before we left to head over to the wedding to get all that done and squared away. And of course I had, other things for this channel and things like that going on. So that week was kind of and we were recovering from being gone and all those fun things. And so that week was kind of just chaos. And then we went to the wedding, which was fantastic. We had such a great time at it. It was a beautiful location, beautiful wedding. It was great being with family, and watching the fireworks from a balcony in St. Augustine was really cool. And so we really had a great time. And then my girls headed back to visit my mom, who doesn't live where we live. So they went with my mom to visit for the week, and I came home and spent the week kind of getting my life back in order. Things had been just so chaotic and so crazy and everything like that. So just working on unpacking and getting laundry cleaned and put away and all those household things, getting, actual food in our fridge because it had been a long time, getting everything kind of back in order, setting up some things that we needed to do for homeschool when they came back because we would be starting back up again, and just all of that was that week. And then of course, because I had been running on full steam ahead for so long, I got a little cold and it just took me out, and so I was sick for about a day and a half, where I was really sick, and then I started to feel a little bit better. So I started to feel better and we went to pick up my girls, meet my mom and pick up my girls, and we got back and the craziest thing happened, something that has literally never happened. My oldest daughter walked pretty much in the door, put her stuff down, and walked straight to the schoolroom and got out schoolwork. And I was like, really? We're doing school right now? Okay, we're doing school right now. I think she was just excited because she had known that I was getting new pieces together and things. She had new things that she was excited to dig into, and so we sat down and we did a little schoolwork on a Sunday after driving for a good portion of the day. So it was, but it was good. And my younger daughter, my middle daughter, actually came in and started doing some schoolwork too. So we did a little schoolwork on a Sunday, and it worked out well. I had already had it set up to start kind of our new systems that we're going to start using. When we start back school up again after a long break, I try not to dive headstrong, like just get everything on our list and start doing it all. I try to start a little slower to try to get like back into the groove of things before we pile on all the things. So we typically start with like language arts and math, and then we'll add in, you know, another subject, maybe history or, you know, something like that, and then the next week we'll add in another thing until we've built up to doing all of our things. So we kind of had a good week easing back into it. That was a great week. We actually didn't go anywhere or do anything, had nothing on the calendar, and it was a great week. We got so much accomplished. We did a ton of game schooling, which my girls love. Or well, my oldest daughter loves. My middle daughter not so much, but she'll play one every once in a while. But we just had a great week. We had a week kind of, you know, just all together, getting back into the swing of things, being at home, enjoying being at home, and checking things off of our checklist, off of our to-do list that had been piling up, obviously, because we've been so busy. Also this month, I have been working really hard to get our co-op that we used to do pre-world shutdown back up and running. And so, of course, I had said, I want to be involved, I want to help, I want to get up and running, but I don't want to be in charge. And, of course, I ended up in charge because that's who I am. I just do that. I don't know why. But I've been working with two great ladies who have been helping so much to get this co-op back up and running. We've had obstacle after obstacle, but we are facing them, we are tackling them, and I've just been really working hard on that to get that, you know, back in order, back set up the way it needs to be, all the filings filed and all the checkboxes checked and all that stuff. So that has been taking up a good portion of my time as well this month, but we're so excited. My girls are over the moon that our co-op will probably be coming back. We still have one like major checkbox to check that is kind of standing in our way, but by the time you guys see this video, I should know for sure whether or not it's happening. But my kids are so excited at the idea that co-op is coming back because they really loved it. We're starting on a much smaller scale than what it used to be, and if you guys would like me to share information about like what it takes to start a co-op and things like that, please comment down below and let me know, and I'd be happy to make like, you know, either a video or a mini series on how to start up a co-op and things to consider when you're going to have a co-op, because I've been knee deep in it, wading through all the legal mumbo jumbo and all of that recently. So if you guys want me to share that here, I'd be happy to. And then let's see what else. Now we're just nearing the end of July. I'm filming this during the last week of July, and honestly I don't even know what day it is right now, but we are just going to be working towards finishing up anything we need to finish up before our portfolio review, which happens in August. So technically our start of our new year is going to be August 1st. That's when we're going to be starting like 7th grade, 3rd grade, and preschool. And so that's like the day that is going to be the technical changeover. And then I will have like a couple of weeks to get my act together and find all the things I need and compile them all into one safe place for my portfolio reviewer. And then in Florida, you just have to have a certified teacher that reviews your portfolio and signs off on it, and you send that in, and that's it. Easy peasy. And so I will be working on getting that together. I, of course, will be filming that process for you guys so you can see that, how I do it. I will show you how I used to do it, and then I'll show you how I do it now, so you guys can kind of see like overzealous mom type and the lazy mom type. But it gets to the job done, and it's all I need to do. And when you have multiple things going on and multiple kids to deal with, you know, lazy mom way, as long as it works, it works. So that is kind of how the month of July went for us. That are kind of the things I'm wrapping up right now, and we are really excited about August. We are going to start our new at-home school year. We're going to start up our new co-op. We're going to go get back into doing some art classes at the local art center here that my kids love doing, and just getting excited to start seeing our friends more regularly again. Everybody was everywhere over the summer, and we just have been missing those people, and yeah, just kind of getting back to normal. So overall, July was a good month. It was busy, very busy things, but at the beginning, and then it started to die down towards the end, which was a nice change of pace for a little while. And we got a lot accomplished this week or this month. I'm feeling really good about all the boxes I've been checking, and all the things that I'm getting done. And I think that is all I have to say about the month of July here. So how did the month of July go for you guys? How is wrapping up summer? Are you gonna keep doing summer for a little while longer, or when are you guys gonna start doing some school? I'd love to chat with you guys about how things have been going for you in your homeschool, in your life. And I have lots of exciting things coming up for you in the month of August. Every Monday, like I said, I think I might have already said this, but every Monday except for one where it's flopped, it'll be a Wednesday, I'm going to be sharing our family vacation with you guys. Wednesdays, I'm going to be sharing homeschool content. I have a lot of collabs coming up, and actually for the month of August, I have a video for you pretty much every Friday. Because I just have so many things that I want to get out to you, and I want to get them out to you while they're still relevant to you, things like planning and such. So that will be the month of August. You will have a video every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And I think that's it. So I think I'm going to sign off now. I think I'm going to tell you guys goodbye, and I hope you guys will come back and chat with me again soon. Remember to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, because I know you want to know when those videos are coming out. I hope you will head over to Instagram at Homeschool-ology and follow me over there. I try to share more of a everyday, day-to-day things that are going on in our life, and of course reminders of the videos that come out here on YouTube. And I have started sharing some reels over there, which is a whole new ball game, if you haven't done one before. So I have done them before for my cake business. I've done a bunch of them before for that, but it was a little more straightforward, just record me making a cake and speed it up and post it. This over here, trying to think of ideas, is a little bit of a different procedure. So yeah, but it's been fun. I'm excited about doing that. I think that's all I've got for you guys today, so I'm gonna go ahead and say goodbye, and I hope you will come back and talk to me again later. Bye.